The textiles industry is massive. It's always changing. From ancient silk roads to modern factories, textiles connect the world. Silk, cotton, wool, these materials clothe us, decorate our homes, and drive global trade. Cotton is king. It's the most popular natural fiber. And within cotton, knitted fabrics are incredibly versatile. Unlike woven fabrics, knits are made by looping yarns together. This creates a stretchy, comfortable fabric. Knitted cotton fabrics are everywhere. Think about your t-shirt, your socks, maybe even your bed sheets. They are soft, breathable, and easy to care for. That's why they're so popular. The production process is fascinating. It starts with raw cotton, which is spun into yarn. Then, industrial knitting machines create the fabric. Different knitting techniques create different textures and weights. From lightweight jerseys to thick, cozy sweats, the possibilities are endless. And because cotton is absorbent, it takes dye well. This means knitted cotton fabrics come in every color imaginable. This session is brought to you by NavaTies, your ultimate destination for all things about international trade. Whether you're looking to learn about global trade or need assistance with imports and exports, NavaTies has got you covered. Visit navaties.com to register for free today and unlock a world of opportunities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Most people think of clothes when they think of knitted cotton, and it's true, this fabric is the backbone of the apparel industry. T-shirts are a global uniform. Jeans often use knitted cotton for comfort and stretch. But it's not just about basics. Designers love knitted cotton too. They use it to create everything from flowing dresses to structured jackets. Its versatility is unmatched. Knitted cotton isn't just for fashion. It's also essential for many industries. Think about hospitals. They rely on soft, absorbent cotton for bandages and medical textiles. Manufacturing plants use knitted cotton for cleaning cloths. Its absorbency and durability make it perfect for wiping up spills and cleaning machinery. And don't forget about protective gear. Knitted cotton can be treated to be flame resistant, protecting workers in hazardous environments. The global trade for knitted cotton fabrics is currently valued at USD 25 million, fluctuating between USD 25 million and USD 97 million over the past 5 years. In terms of quantity, the global trade volume is 3,977.64 tons, with a historical range between 3,977.64 tons to 13,543.03 tons. The average global price for knitted cotton fabrics is $6.42 per kilo. The top importers of knitted cotton fabrics are Jordan, Philippines, Egypt, Vietnam, Indonesia, USA, Italy, Myanmar, Cambodia, and Nicaragua, while the top exporters are China, Germany, Hong Kong, South Korea, Taiwan, Italy, Denmark, India, Turkey, and France. India currently exports USD 1.2 million worth of knitted cotton fabrics, supplying 111 tons to the global market at an average price of $10.33 per kilo. India holds a 4.47% market share in value and 2.78% in quantity. Over the last 5 years, India's market share has ranged from 1.09% to 41.41%, with revenues between USD 0.86 million and USD 40 million. So if you are looking to import knitted cotton fabrics at better rates and better quality, India should be your destination for procurement. While this is about India's trade, you can generate more reports for knitted cotton fabrics trade about any country directly on the NavaTies platform. The future of knitted cotton is bright, but it faces challenges. The fashion industry has a dirty secret. It's a major polluter. Growing cotton uses a lot of water and pesticides, and fast fashion encourages a throwaway culture. But there's hope. More and more brands are embracing sustainable cotton farming practices. They're using less water, fewer chemicals, and ensuring fair wages for farmers. Consumers are becoming more aware too. They're demanding transparency and ethical sourcing. This is where innovation comes in. We're seeing amazing new technologies like recycled cotton and organic dyes. Digital printing is reducing waste and water usage, and online marketplaces are making it easier for small, sustainable businesses to thrive. The future of knitted cotton is about doing things differently. It's about being mindful of the planet and the people who make our clothes. It's about choosing quality over quantity and supporting brands that are committed to change. How can NavaTies help you explore the global trade of knitted cotton fabrics? NavaTies provides comprehensive country facts and in-depth market research on global knitted cotton fabrics. It offers you detailed insights into top countries that import knitted cotton fabrics based on various parameters. Further, you can use our business ecosystems to meet business owners who belong to the silk and textiles, or access our world directory of companies, trade, and government bodies, which you can use to improve your export or import business. Click the link in the description and download the detailed report on global knitted cotton fabrics trade, or visit navaties.com. The international trade of knitted cotton fabrics within the silk and textiles industry presents significant opportunities for growth, innovation, and market expansion. As global demand for high quality and sustainable textile products continues to rise, businesses that remain attuned to market trends can gain a competitive edge. By embracing sustainability through eco-friendly production methods, ethical sourcing, and circular economy initiatives, companies can appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. Additionally, harnessing digital technologies such as e-commerce platforms, artificial intelligence, and blockchain for supply chain transparency can further enhance efficiency and customer engagement. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.